Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Hello, good evening, my dear students. How are you all? All are fine? Okay, last time we learned this drawing of Barbie fairy. Okay, so this time today we will be coloring it and we will be learning blending of colors also. Somewhere and in the end with earbud. Okay, with earbud. So please keep your earbud, your yellow and white color with you because in end we are going to give touch up with that. So now, without delay, let's get started. See, we all know in any drawing, we draw first, right? We draw first, and the second step is we give outlines. So, drawing and outline we have done. Now, what is third step? Tell me. Yes. Third step is you will erase extra lines. Okay, so you will pick up your eraser and you will be erasing all extra lines. See here, so many lines of pencil are visible. So what I will be doing, I will erase all those extra lines and make my drawing absolutely clean. This is very important to make it clean. Okay? Yes. Slowly and slowly erase. And see, you can see lots of dust. When we erase now, lots of dust is there. Immediately remove it out of your table. Yes. Okay, be ready. Yes. Now after this, after erasing extra lines and after all, yeah, I can see a few lines of pencil here. I will erase it nicely. Give a complete view. Okay, somewhere few lines are left. I will erase them also. And now you will pick up color. See, the color in gown, it can be of your choice. If you want to go for sky blue, you can pick up sky blue. If you want to go for pink, you can go for pink. If you feel that I want to use two colors, you can use two colors. There are so many colors in your color palette. So you can pick up any color, okay, of your choice. So see, I'm going to pick up this pink color. Okay, I will be doing this pink color in gown. Because in end, I'm going to decorate my gown with white pearls. So on dark pink, white pearls will look very beautiful. Because of this, I decided that I will be using pink color for this. So from where I will start from here. Okay. Small sleeping lines. You will not change your direction and you will not put pressure. You will not pressurize your color. Small strokes, one direction. Start from top and be careful. Your line should not enter in hand. Okay, if you want, you can just go for outlines first. If you feel that you want to go for outlines first, you can give outlines. Okay. And after giving outlines, now you go for sleeping lines. Okay. Go for small sleeping lines. This way you will continue. And see, you will not go for big lines and you will not change direction. And the very important thing, you will not put pressure. Many students, they are habitual of you using color with lots of pressure. Never do this, okay? with very gentle strokes you will apply. But one thing you're supposed to keep in mind, you can see mine. I'm using every stroke I'm applying 4 times. See, 4 times. So keep applying every stroke 4 times and finish. Okay. I'm going to do this color. And you all know fairies. Fairies are also called mother fairies because they are very motherly to all children of the world. And God blessed them with lovely, strong feathers. And with help of those feathers, fairies can fly up in sky. And they kept roaming in sky just to see that who is unhappy. If they find any child unhappy, they immediately go and solve the problem. Yes. So here is a story of Rahul. There was one boy, his name was Rahul. And when fairy was taking round in sky, he found that Rahul is sitting on windowsill and is having tears in eyes. He was crying. Fairy find Rahul very, very sad and upset. The fairy came down and asked Rahul, why are you so unhappy? You're looking very sad. Please share your problem with me. Rahul replied with tears in eyes. Yeah, Mother Fairy, I'm very unhappy. But tell me one thing first, you are fairy now or someone else? Fairy smiled and say, yeah, I'm Mother Fairy and I'm here to solve your problem. Please tell me what's your problem? Rahul replied, Mother Fairy, in class today, in all subjects, in all tests, I found 0 mark. And all the students of class were teasing me. Rahul, Buddhu Rahul, and you are duffer, and this kind of comments they were passing on me. And they were calling me Buddhu and this ways. So I'm very sad and I really want to get good marks. Then Rahul asked Fairy, you have this magic stick in hand. You can do any magic. So can you do this magic? I want to stood first. I want to come first in class so that all my friends can realize that I'm not duffer. I'm not Buddhu. Fairy smiled and replied, yes, why not? You can come first in class. But for this, we'll have to keep one line close to your heart. One line close to your mind. What is that line? Rahul asked. That line is, I can do it. I can do it? Rahul asked. But how these lines are going to work? Fairy said, you will have to work hard. Every day you will have to finish your homework. You will have to learn. Rahul said, no. Fairy, please do this magic with your magic stick. I dislike studies. I don't want to study. You do some magic. Fairy replied, I can't do any magic. Magic happens only and only when person try to do that with dedication, with determination, and with hard work. Rahul said, but Fairy, I don't like to study. I can't sit and study for whole day. Then do you know what Fairy did? Fairy hold Rahul's hands and took him to a wall. And there Rahul observed, there were few ants and they were trying to climb the wall. Okay, a standing wall. They tried, they fell down. Then they tried, they fell down. They tried, they fell down. They kept trying till they succeed. Fairy said, look at these tiny ants. They are not giving up. Still they are getting succeeded. See, so this ways you are not supposed to give up. There is no shortcut for success. Rahul said, but still I don't like to study. Fairy, please do some magic. Then Fairy again hold hand of Rahul and took Rahul to honeybees. Okay? And showed, look at these honeybees. Rahul observed those honeybees, they were going miles and miles away just to get few drops of honey from flowers. After getting few drops of honey, they were coming back to their hive. They were just collecting there, then again miles away to collect few drops. Fairy said, look at these honeybees. They are so tiny, small creature of nature. But see, they are working day and night. They are working hard. And because of this only, although they are very small, but they are able to fill this big hive. But Rahul said, but still I don't want to study. Mother Fairy, please do magic for me. See the view. Okay, see this complete skirt is done. Okay, this complete skirt of Mother Fairy is done. Now we will be completing the top part. Okay, and first we will give outlines around star, and then we will complete this upper part portion also with this. Then Fairy took hold Rahul's hands. Now see, after giving outlines, you will be starting in sleeping lines from here. You will start for sleeping lines from here. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. This ways you will keep moving. Then Fairy hold hands of Rahul and took him to tiny birds. And Rahul observed that a pair of birds, they were making a nest to lay eggs. And Rahul observed that that tiny bird was going miles away for collecting twigs and small tiny grass. So that they can make nests. And after collecting all the nests, they were weaving those small tiny twigs. Now Rahul realized, yeah, Mother Fairy, you are right. When all tiny creatures of nature can do work, they are working hard, so why can't I? I'm promising you, I will study hard. But Rahul, after getting determined to study hard, he asked Mother Fairy, but how to start? I don't know that how to start the studies. Fairy replied, yeah, Rahul, for this you will have to go for planning. Planning? Rahul asked, what is this planning? Yes, have you done with this? Yes, please show. All of you lift up your files. Lift up your files. Very good, very good. And many I have tried many other colors also. And it's looking really, really great. Shabash. Wonderful. Okay, very good. Now, from your color palette, you will be picking up pink and skin color. Okay? Pink and skin color. Come on, pick up these two colors. Yes. Yes. Okay, okay. Very soon you'll be learning a birthday drawing also. Okay, so that you can make cards and gift it to someone's. Anna? Yes. See now, this is pink and skin color. Pick up these two colors. Hello. Now what you will be doing, you will pick up your pink and draw two circles here. Okay, without outline, directly with pink color. These two pink, light pink color circles. Okay.
Have you sent it to this number only?
Yes, and the same pink you will be applying in smile, but little dark. Okay. The circles are very light, but in smile you will be doing it dark.
I'm not deleted any link. It might have done a mistake. I'll check it.
Okay. pink circles on both the sides and pink in lips. Smile. Now pick up your skin color. Yes.
No, because we had done it earlier and parents requested not to do that because they want that get shared and so they completely oppose that.
See,
Now we are not doing that.
you will start your skin color from top. Okay? This ways you will start from top and you will go for sleeping lines. Okay? Small sleeping lines.
I'll give you the WhatsApp number of our team so that.
Okay, then what happened? Fairy, after looking at all this, Rahul was determined कि okay. He got inspired that when honeybee can work hard, when tiny birds can work hard, when spider can work hard, tiny ants can work hard, why can't I? I'm so lazy. No, it's shame on me. I will work hard. And Rahul promised, Mother Fairy, I got it. I will work hard, but I'm not getting that from where to start. So Mother Fairy smiled and said, Rahul, don't worry. I will help you out. Okay, you do one thing. You go to bed today, you sleep, and early morning I will be there to help you out. And Rahul replied, okay, thank you so much, Mother Fairy. Mother Fairy smiled and went away. Next morning, when Rahul wake up, Mother Fairy was there only. And she wished Rahul, good morning, Rahul. Rahul also wished, good morning, Mother Fairy. Mother Fairy said, see, this is your today's timetable. Timetable? What is this timetable? Mother Fairy said, every day in morning only you decide. Say Nick also you will go for sleeping lines, okay? Mother Fairy said that every morning you decided morning only that what you are going to do today. How much time you are going to give to studies, how much time for watching TV, how much time for running, how much time for playing. So Rahul was very, very excited. He asked, Mother Fairy, tell me what is my timetable today? So Fairy said, first you will go for cycling. Okay, first you be ready and go for cycling, and you can play for 1 hour your exercise because you're used to going for cycling in open air. So you should go there first. And after that you come, you take bath, have your meal, and then you will be giving 2 hours afternoon for studies. And in that you will be learning first chapter of every subject. Okay, Rahul replied. Then what then? After that you can watch TV for 1.5 hours. Okay, what then? Then you can play with your toys and friends after that. Then you can attend your drawing classes after that. Rahul was so happy. Mother Fairy, in this timetable, I have time for doing everything. I can play, I can go for outing, I can do cycling, I can watch TV, and still I can get first rank. Fairy replied, yes. When you schedule your day, when you go for timetable, you are finding time for everything. You are not supposed to study whole day. But whatever time you are devoting, okay, you are supposed to be very sincere. If you will do sincerely studies, suppose you are sitting for 3 hours. And in 3 hours, you are completing all the tasks, your homework and learning. Then no need of sitting for studies for whole day. Rahul was very happy. And he decided, Mother Fairy, I will show and I will study hard. And this timetable is so interesting. I will follow it every day. Rahul started working hard. And 3 words, he just every time kept in mind. And what were those words? Tell me. Yes, those words were, tell me. I can do it. Okay, these are 4 words. I can do it. And finally, then final exams came. Oh, all of you have done this much? Okay. After this, you all will be picking up golden. As I want to show golden here, golden and brown. Golden and brown. Okay, for making hair, we will be using golden and brown. Okay. Yes. The final exam took place. Rahul, as he was working hard, normal brown you can take. Okay. Dark, if you have, you can take dark. If you have normal brown, you can take normal brown. Any brown you can take. Okay, now we will start with golden. If you don't have golden, you can take yellow ochre. And if you don't have yellow ochre, you can go for yellow. Okay, if you don't have these two colors, you can simply go for yellow color. Because you want to show golden hair of fairy. Okay, you can go for yellow also. Okay, now what you'll be doing, you will start from your standing lines. This is golden color. Okay, go for standing lines. Small strokes, one direction. Okay, you will be going for small, small, tiny, tiny. And say this middle gap, this hand, this middle gap, this is also here. So you will be standing lines. You will not change direction. And many students, what they do, they keep changing lines. You will go for small strokes, one direction, and each stroke you will be repeating 4 times. Okay, this thing you will not forget. No, don't use oil pastel. Okay, Trisha? Oil pastel, the technique of using oil pastel is different. So that I will be guiding you afterwards. Okay? If you will use oil pastel here, it can spoil your work. If you don't have plastic crayons, you can use wax crayons, but not oil pastels. Okay? See this ways, standing lines. See here also very little space, but I will not change direction. I will go for standing lines. Yes. Okay, see, everywhere. Small, small strokes, one direction. I'm going to show golden hair of my mother fairy. Then that day came when Rahul's parents reached to school to take their report card. And Rahul's mom was not even knowing that with help of fairy, Rahul is working hard. And when Rahul's mom looked at board, and on first rank, Rahul's name was there. She was not able to trust. Rahul, see, your name is there on board. I have worked hard this time. Rahul was so happy. Mama was having tears in eyes. And teachers replied, Rahul is really doing well. In all internal tests, he stood full out of full marks. He got very good ranks. Rahul was very happy, and all the children, those who were calling and teasing him, you are duffer, you are buddhu, they all were congratulating. Congratulations, Rahul, you have really done well. Rahul was very, very happy. And all other students, naughty students of class, they came to Rahul and asked, Rahul, what magic? How you did so well? Please guide us. We also want to become good student. Rahul replied, it's very easy. You are supposed to do planning of your day. Okay? If you will plan your day, and the time which you are giving to your studies should be quality time. Okay? Suppose you are doing studies 3 hours. In 3 hours, be completely focused and finish your all work, learning and doing. Then you will be free. And you will be finding so much of time for doing so many things. See, I'm doing cycling every day. I'm watching TV. I'm doing drawing classes. I'm listening to stories. Everything I'm doing, and still I stood first rank. They all said, please help us, Rahul. We also want to do something like this. Rahul just close eyes and remember Mother Fairy. In a short while, Mother Fairy was there. And Rahul requested Mother Fairy, will you please help us like Rahul? Mother Fairy said, yes, why not? Actually, I'm with you all, but you can't see me. I'm with you all. You are with us, all of us, but we can't see you. She smiled and said, God has given Mother Fairy to each of you. That person, the person who is scheduling your timetable, who is making you sit to studies, who is preparing fresh food, who is planning the menu, when to study, when to play, when to sleep. Who is doing all this? They replied, our mom is doing this. Yes, but you are supposed to cooperate your mom. She is fairy. God has provided every child with a fairy. And that fairy is your mom. You just listen, cooperate, and you all will be able to get success like Rahul. They all said, you are absolutely right. Mom is that fairy in our life. The student, this today's story, this mother fairy is no one else. We all have this mother fairy in our life. And that is our mom. In many kids' life, in form of Nani ji or Dadi ji, everyone is having a fairy in their life. And mom is that fairy. Okay? So this today's drawing you are going to dedicate to your mom. Because this magic stick, what is this magic stick? This magic stick is selfless love, which only one person in this whole world is having. And that is your mom. Without any self-centered motives. She's working hard for you. She's waking up early in morning so that you can carry fresh tiffin and fresh parathas in your tiffin. When you're sick, she's like nurse. She's giving services and looking after you. She's cooking fresh food and stopping you. Don't eat this junk food. Sometimes when you don't cooperate, she's strict also so that you can do well. So please understand that love. Cooperate because she's mother fairy in your life. Okay? So you are very lucky that you all have mother fairy in your life. And that is your mom. Okay, see the golden hair. Ready? I just want to see that how the students are doing. Lift up your work. And today's work is for your mom. Okay, so please make it very beautiful. Wow, lovely. Excellent, you all have done it really well. Beautiful. Okay? And when your mom will get this card, she will be very, very happy. Okay? So the only thing you are supposed to keep in mind, first, never forget these words, I can do it. And secondly, you are supposed to cooperate like Rahul did with Mother Fairy. If you will not cooperate your mom, she won't be able to do magics with you. Okay? Yes. After making golden hair, pick up your yellow, dark yellow, and pink color. Okay? Dark yellow and pink color. Pick up these two colors. And now for making lovely. And there are some students who are very stubborn. Okay? Yes. Now, you will be taking yellow color and you will start doing from here. Okay? But you will not fill it completely. This is normal pink. Okay? This is not dark pink. This is light pink. And I will be doing only till here. Only till here. These lines I have made now. Only till this part I will be doing yellow. See, the strokes are small. And you will be going in one direction. Okay? And you must be asking that mom don't have this kind of wings and feathers. See, these feathers is the love. Mom is having feathers of love. Mom is having feathers of compassion. Mom is having feathers of hard work. And with which she is doing all the work perfectly on time. Okay? So the wings are there, but we can't see. Okay, this way is for small strokes you will take and you will do this much part yellow. Okay, only this much part. Will not fill yellow completely, because now we are going to blend two colors. We will be blending two colors, okay? Only half of the feathers, we will be doing this color. So this was all about our today's fairies drawing, and if you must have listened to the story of Cinderella. Have you heard the story of Cinderella? In that story, Mother Fairy helped Cinderella and with magic she created. You must have heard, na? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now apply yellow this side also and this side also. Okay. Yes. This side also I will not completely fill yellow, only in half feather. And see from where I will start. I will start from center. And in sleeping lines, I will go in all directions. Small, small strokes. Okay. Yes. Continue. Keep doing. Vishesh. Continue. Vishesh Rajesh. Yellow color. Okay. Fills it, you will be left behind, isn't it? And this card should be very, very special because you're going to dedicate after making this card and after writing lovely lines for your mom. Mom, you are working hard. You are so hardworking. You are so beautiful. You are fairy of my life. And you have wings of hard work, love, dedication. Whatever you feel like to write. Give a tight hug to your mom and give this card to your mom. She will be happy. Okay? Because she's really working hard for you. Okay, see, after this, apply yellow both the sides. And after this, take pink. Okay, see, now all of you see once how to do pink. See, you will start your pink from here. Archie, are you doing beta, Archie? Continue. You will be doing pink from here. And when you come in yellow now, you will move your color light. When you will enter yellow, you will move your color light. Outside, you will be doing it dark. But in yellow, you will be moving it light. Okay? Come on. Keep doing. Start from this corner. All of you start pink from this corner. You will be doing pink. And when you come in yellow, you will move your color light. Okay? Chalo. So what we are doing blending of colors. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. And this ways, in yellow, you will be moving your color light. You can do one thing if you want. You can give outlines with pink first. Okay. If you want, you can give outlines with pink first. And yes, this ways, slowly and slowly, you will come inside and see. Now those who love Barbie dolls, they can make different kind of dolls with different outfits. Okay, because now you know how to make face, how to make hair, how to make crown, and so now you can make different kind of Barbie dolls by your own. See, I'm doing color dark, but when I enter yellow, I'm doing it light. Come on, do. So you will get this lovely mixing. Small strokes. You will not go for big strokes. Okay. After doing in one wing, I will check how it is going on. Show first. All of you show. Yes, all of you show first how the work is going on. Yeah, lift up your file for 1 minute. See, Guhan, well, you are moving pink here now, so you will enter yellow also. Okay, you will not do only outside. You will enter yellow also. And in yellow, you will be moving your pink light. Okay. You just, didn't enter yellow. You are supposed to take care of this. Very good. This. Lift up all of you. Vidakshi, Jadha. Lift up your files. Very nice work. I can see. Now you merge it with pink. Okay. Lovely. Very good. Apply yellow and then pink. I'm waiting because many students are doing. I'm also waiting. See, you will be doing pink, and when you will enter in yellow, you will move your pink very light. You are supposed to enter in. I'm showing again. See, I'm doing pink outside, but I'm doing pink on yellow also. But when I'm doing on yellow, I'm moving my color very light. Okay, this way is you're supposed to do. Very good. Very good. Very carefully, because we are blending. Lovely. I can see different colors also. This red gown, Advait did red color in gown and it's looking great. Orange I can see. And we did orange. Yeah. You will do pink and you will enter yellow. Okay. Shabash. And I can see Trina. She made rainbow colors. She did rainbow colors in gown. And it's looking great. Very good. So these are your creativities. And here also, Aditi also, she gave stripes and different colors. Lovely. Beautiful. Shabash. Okay. Hansini, finish your wings. And even your gown, which color you fill in gown? Light pink. Okay, fine. Okay. Wings are also done. Okay. Shabash. It's beautifully done. Very good. Very good. I will come back to work now. Okay. I will be doing pink here. And I have maintained minimum average speed so that all students can do. Now see, after doing pink here, I'm moving my color in yellow also. See, I'm moving my color in yellow also. Then I'm going out. I'm moving my pink. After doing, I'm coming in yellow. I'm moving in yellow also, but in yellow, I'm moving it light. Okay, this ways you will be blending colors. And see, when we mix golden and brown tone, hair is exactly looking like hairs are. Yes, this way you will be completing one wing. Pink and yellow. Okay? Yeah, let's complete the second wing also. First, you will be applying yellow like this. And now I will start from here. See, I will start from here. I will start moving my color this ways. From here. See, I came near yellow. Now I will enter. Okay, I will be doing, I will go out. First, you do one thing, you give outlines. Okay? Outlines will help you maintaining the neatness. With small strokes, you give outlines. And make this artwork with lots of dedication and affection, because you're going to gift this drawing to your mom. Okay? And please realize, Rahul got success because he started cooperating. He gave up laziness. He was determined to study hard. Okay? When you will cooperate your mom now, you will be able to gain all success. You will be able to achieve all success of life. See, keep moving like this. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Have you done? Shanaya, have you done? Show. Okay, okay. Okay, those who have done, they can wait for a minute because many students are showing thumbs down. Okay, so you will wait till they also complete. After that, we will be making eyes. Okay, eyes of fairies. See, I'm going in yellow. Slowly. Sometimes in many competition, they ask you to draw my dream. So in that also you can show fairy. Yes. Small, small strokes, one direction. And this ways, your feathers will be ready. Okay? Yes. Now, all of you pick up your black, golden and brown color. Come on. Black, golden and brown color. You can take dark brown. You can take light brown. Any brown you can take. Okay? Dark or light, any. Yes, I will be giving close-up view of eyes. It will give you clear idea that how to draw. Okay? Yes, eyes. Now see how to draw eyes. First you pick up these three colors, black, brown and golden. First you will take your black color and start applying this inner circle. Okay, this inner circle you will be doing black. Here and here. Come on, do with me. And eyes, you all will be doing it very carefully. Because eyes are most important part of face. Okay. So you will be doing black. Fill black. Yeah. Yes. After this, you will be taking this golden color and this outer circle we have now only half. Only in half you will be doing this golden color. Okay, only in half, not complete. Half only. Okay, yes. This outer circle you filled only half. Now you will take brown and this outer circle you will fill completely. You will move over your golden also. So you will get, yes, you will get this kind of lovely, beautiful eyes. Okay, yes. Move like this. Keep this method of making eyes in your brain, in your mind completely, because eyes make a drawing looking more and more beautiful. Okay? So see the lovely eyes of a fairy ready. And here also, I will be doing pink in crown. Okay? Matching crown. I will be doing pink here inside. Okay? Pink crown you can make. Still pink color. Yes. Now, I will be giving you complete view. We will be showing sky. This drawing is incomplete. Okay? And the work of earbud is also left. You know? See, this is our fairy. Now pick up your yellow color. And do one thing. Start moving yellow all around. Like thick outlines. Okay? Like thick outlines. Give yellow outlines all around the figure of Mother Fairy. Okay? Mother Fairy. Don't forget, this fairy is your mom. Okay? As God can't be everywhere and can't take personal care of every child. Because of this only, God made parents. So on this earth, parents are our God. So never ever disrespect them. Okay? Fairies can't be everywhere. There are so many children. So every child is having a fairy in form of mom. Yellow outlines. Okay? Pencil colors, I don't suggest. If you don't have these plastic crayons, and then in that case you can use, but pencil color I don't suggest, because the output of pencil color is not bright. Okay, and for your age category, I don't suggest them. Okay, see, all around I'm moving yellow color all around. Thick yellow outlines. See, this part I have done, this part is left. Very carefully you will be moving this ways. Okay. Yes, this phase you will be completing. Small strokes, you will not go for big strokes, okay? Small strokes, and you can see each stroke I'm repeating 4 times. Okay, if you will not repeat your color 4 times, what will happen? That they will not look even. The output will look rough. Yes, we will be doing with earbud impression, or we can make it with yellow also. Around this crown also, I will be doing yellow. Yes. Now I want to show that fairy is roaming around during night time, okay? And looking at what students are doing, how things are going on. So to show night, I will be using blue color, okay? Normally for showing night, students use black. But no, we should use blue or purple. So clouds, we will be making purple. And as we want to show night, so we will be showing night. Leave all clouds blue and start from here. Sleeping lines. Okay. You can start from here. Small, small sleeping lines. Yes. Go in one direction, small strokes, one direction. Very, very slowly you will keep going. Okay, you will not change direction and you will not go for big strokes. This is called wash. Okay, without this background coloring, your drawing is incomplete. Right? So this is very important part, and you will not enter in yellow outlines. Okay, you will keep your dark blue color outside. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. This ways you will be completing. Okay, yeah. Keep doing this ways. See here, I'm not going for sleeping lines. I will just, and see here, very little space is there, but I will not go for standing line. I will manage to go for small sleeping lines, but I will not change direction of my colors. Okay? This thing you're supposed to keep in mind. Small, small strokes. If I started my coloring from sleeping lines, I will finish it with sleeping lines only. Hmm. Okay? This ways you will be completed. Drawing is this ways you will be continuing. Okay? Keep doing sleeping lines. And why I used this Persian blue color? Because I want to show this ways you will be doing with. Okay? Sleeping lines. I will be giving you the complete view. And now it seems as if it is night. Okay? And this fairy, it means your mom is like a bright, positive light in night. If you're sad, she's having solution of every problem. If you are sick, she's just like doctor and nurse taking your care. If you're hungry, just like a master chef taking care and preparing lovely food for you. You know, tasty, tasty foods like pav bhaji, bhel puri, idli sambar, uttappam, and noodles also sometimes. Whatever you like, she's ready to cook. So these all qualities are there only in one person, and that is your mom. You see, this night is almost done. Okay? Night is almost done. Now I will pick up purple color. Pick up your purple color. And I will be making clouds. Okay? Yes. Let's complete clouds. Start from sleeping lines. Yeah, Anusha. We are just doing clouds. Okay? You can complete your sky and then come on clouds. See, students, one more thing I want to tell you. Suppose you are making sky. Okay? And if your clouds are left, after this, I will start with my earbud impression. So what you can do, this clouds you can do in homework also. Okay? You will be starting with earbud impression with me. Because sky and clouds, it can be done in homework. Okay? So this thing you are supposed to keep in mind. Sleeping lines. Here. Small sleeping lines. I'm making purple clouds. I want to show night. So purple and blue, these both are colors of night. Okay? So I'm just making these all clouds. See, I will start from sleeping lines. You can see even for clouds, I'm starting from corner. And if you will start your coloring from center, you will have to change direction. But if you will start your coloring from one corner, it will automatically go in one direction. So always start your coloring from a corner. Okay? This thing you're supposed to keep in mind. And last but not the least, this cloud. Now see, students, those whose clouds are left or sky is left, they will stop now. This cloud and sky, if yours is left, this you can do in homework. Now you all will pick up your earbud. Come on. Be ready with your earbud. I want yellow color ready. I want white color ready. And I want pink. Okay. Pink or even red will look good. So we can show these flowers with red also. Okay. Red. Any color you can take for this. Okay. Yes, I'm reminding again. Those who are doing sky and clouds, they stop. Because sky and cloud, it can be done in homework. But this earbud work, I want all of you to do with me. Come on, be ready with your earbud, your white, your yellow, and your red color. Okay? Yes. Ready? Show thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yes. Because now you're going to show, okay, I can see thumbs down. Okay, be ready. Okay? Earbud. Keep your yellow and white and red open. If you're using this kind of colors, and if you're using tube colors, in that case, you can take tube color in plate. Okay, and if you're using cake colors, then you can do one thing. You can put 2-drop water on cakes. Yes. Now it's time to make this mother fairy. Okay, this mother fairy. Beautiful, by showing jewelry. So first I will start with white. Ready? Show thumbs up. Yes, take white. Now I will dip it in white. And I will start making lovely jewelry. So I will start with necklace. Come on, make this lovely necklace. Okay, here, white necklace. Fairies, they always wear very simple but beautiful jewelry. And don't forget to show armlets. Okay, armlets, 2 dots here, as we are showing Barbie fairy. And then bracelet, 2 dots here, 2 dots here. Okay, this armlet, bracelet, yes, make this. And I want to show lovely design in gown. Okay, I want to show this dark pink gown is having so many white pearls. Show this kind of belt. And here you're going to take lots of color in your earbud and you will be going for big circles. Go for big circles. Okay. Yes, very carefully. You will be holding it straight. Okay, if you will hold it tilted, now the shape will be disturbed. Hold it straight and just decorate your mother fairy and decorate it with so much of love in your heart. Because this is not an ordinary card. This card you are making for the most deserving person of this card, that is your mom. Okay? She's the only one working hard for you. Value that love. Your parents, your mom and dad, they are working hard for you. Value that love. Okay? Papa also, day to night, working in office, working hard. Today your life is so secured and comfortable. How? Papa is working hard for that. All your expenses, from where you are managing it, you don't know even who is managing all this. That's your father. So, be very loving and respectful to them. Okay? Yes, I will be showing this kind of pearls and I will make this gown looking very, very pretty. Okay? See, necklace, and yeah, take lots of white and don't forget to show jewelry. Earrings. 2 earrings. Come on. Okay, 2 circles in. And because of this only, we didn't made drawing, because I told you that day also we will be making jewelry directly with earbuds. Okay, so see, 2 earrings, necklace, armlets, bracelet, Okay, and this design in gown. Okay, few dots here, few dots all around, few dots here. Now in same earbud, you will be taking yellow. Take yellow. And you will be showing shining of the crown. Okay. If you feel that yellow is getting merged, you can just make them white also. Okay. You can make them white. And flowers. This complete flowers I want to show with red. In same earbud. No need to change your earbud. I will be making flowers now. Okay. Yes. You can make it red. You can make it pink. Any color you can make it with. Okay. I'm making it red and pink. I have lovely salmon pink color also. I can make some with pink also. Okay. And flowers are gradually growing small. See, this is small. Few flowers I'm going to show with pink. You can make all flowers with red also, okay? This is a beautiful design. And don't forget to show white stars in the sky. White stars in the sky, okay? And behind, back side, you're going to write lines for your mom, for your dad. Mom and dad, they are precious gift of God. Okay, value their love. Cooperate them. If they're asking you to study hard, just listen to them. If they're asking you to eat healthy food, listen to them. Okay? Have lots of respect for them because they are God in your life. Okay? Yes. See so many stars. I will be giving a complete view. Okay, I can show 2, 3 here also. Now last but not the least, very last work is left. And what is that? I'm telling you, that is first I will pack the colors. Pack your colors. And I want only black. Only black. And with any paintbrush, if you have any paintbrush, from back side, I will be taking black. And in center of my flowers, I will put black. I will be showing how. See here. Here. Center of flower, I'm going to put black. Okay. And this is all about our today's work. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed this class and see this work is not complete without your precious line, without your loving lines. You will write your lines, you will hug your mama, okay, with lots of love, and with lots of love and appreciation, you will hand over this card to your mama. Okay, now I just want to see that how the work has been done. Okay, now I want to see the work, how the work is going on. Please lift up your files. All of you, lift up all together. Want to see how the work is going on? Very good. It's so beautiful. Shabash. All are busy doing with earbuds? Yes. Okay. So show some stars like this. And your lovely drawing is ready. Beautiful. Okay. Shabash. See how cute it's looking. But this drawing is incomplete without your precious line. And before giving it to your mom, you will hug your mom. Okay. Yes, give a tight hug, loving hug to your mama, and hold hands and promise that from today, I will listen everything you are instructing me, okay? Yes. Very well done, very beautifully implemented and done really, really wonderfully. Shabash, it's really wonderful work. So with this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye, students. Take care. Okay, no cold drink, no ice cream. Okay, promise? Bye-bye.